Hi there folks, how you doing? Hope this video is finding you all well. And for this one, as you can see in the top there, South African Demon Transgenders. And this is especially now because most of my original friends from Facebook and then also a lot of the people I've sent friend requests to recently are South Africans. It's the country I'm from, it's my country. So I thought I'd just have a look into what's going on here by us. I'm going to run through these three quickly and then we'll chat about it. But yeah, so Mia Nel, this is a current South African music icon, and I'm sure she's in TV and movies as well. So Mia Nel, a supposed woman, but yep, a transgender demon male with 3 transgender demon babies, then small kids and teenagers now today. Then we have someone who I never knew of, but I mean, it's a lady by the name of Min Shaw, but it's not a lady, it's a transgender demon. Also, from the 60s and 50s, South African music, and from then onwards, music and movies and TV. Min Shaw. Doesn't really look like a pretty girl there, hey? Okay, and then the other person we have is known all over the world, Charlize Theron. Don't know what are they. I mean, the fact that this is Dior, like the most expensive, probably one of the most loved and sought after perfumes by women. And this thing was the ad for it. Okay, so I think I will start with Min Shaw, folks. Just the usual, man. I mean, look at this. Here's the better one I found. This is like in Middle Ages, okay? We will clearly see a male, as in right there, okay? Compared to the other side of the face. And if you look, the nose is totally different, the arch there, okay? Clearly a demon. It was a non-human that was born. And I will show you that now. I'm pretty sure now that they're born already this way. Because yeah, you'll see now. So there we go. This photo after trying to get the angle as much as possible. As you can see how it's turned in the bottom. And this is what we get. Like, we call it the good-looking side. And then literally, yes, the angle's not 100%, but that's also the side that you can see is the darker side. A lot of them you see, they always have that clear, distinct darker side. And then look at it. So that might actually be the darker one. You see the one that comes across all like loving and stuff. Okay, so that's Min Shaw, folks. Guaranteed 100%. I haven't got into her family yet, but when I did find the photos, I know she has a son, big fatty, so it's probably also a chance. Okay, then we come here to Mia Nel, South African, iconic. Now you can really start seeing there. You're really starting to see it, right? Big giveaway with them, which I haven't actually gone into a lot. Hello. Is also, I wouldn't say giveaway, let's see. Is, yeah. You can see, let's say the teeth line up, and let's say we're happy there. Cool? Okay. So what you will also see with a lot of them is the eyes. You can see the gap there. And I've straightened everything else out. The nose is in line also with the gap between the teeth. Okay? Then you'll see a lot of the time. Are you with me, folks? And here's another example. I'm sure while we're here, we can quickly spot the different hairlines. Let's see, middle teeth. Let's see, what do you think? There we go, Max. Yeah, there you can see the hairlines. You see the one actually, sorry we're doing this with this photo now. see if we can do it there. Back to the, there's it there. Bring it down. It's a bit difficult to see, but I can see it definitely that there, okay, that hairline there doesn't meet up, as you can see where the other one is. That's another clear indicator. Let's just do the colors thing. Chink, chink, chink. Oh, yeah, no, we're not going to see anything. Sorry. Yeah, so apologies for that. Discard it. But yeah, hairlines don't match up. Why does it keep on start at the bottom where we were by her? Folks, yeah, when I did the ones of the kids, and whenever I do ones of kids, and especially now with the babies, I have to remind myself, like I told you before, by all means, maybe once, only once, have like a tug at your heart and like, oh, I wish we could save the babies. No, you can't. By the time they're born, and I know it now from hers, there's no more human there. Okay? The, so make space. I guarantee you it comes out already a demon. Now look at this, folks. So there's her. Okay? Like we know we've got a left and a right side. Little transgender demon. And there you go. Look at it. Look at that. And look at that. You can clearly see there. Look at the shape of that jaw. Sorry. Shape of that jaw. Shape of that jaw. Feminine. Very extreme. This looks like, wow, dude. Okay, like a really, like, angry dude. Look at that. Okay. Definitely. So we can even, let me show you here what it's doing. See how that head is tilted? Okay. Now normally, boom, thank you, there we go. Am I right? There's the shoulders there, there's the shoulders there. What do we see there? On a female, this putting the shoulders down is the male, because this is not a female, this is a male. The male clavicles, collarbones, which are normally straight. Now the shoulder's been pulled down, so if something's normally straight, you pull it down, it goes wah. If this was a female, they're supposed to be like that. If it pulls it down, it should make it straight. But it's a male pulling its shoulders down, so the clavicle goes down. Okay. I'm sorry, I really did not know this woman, and my goodness, it's mental. Look at it. So then apparently this, as we said now, this is a male skeleton. This is a transgender male, but technically a female, so it definitely doesn't have the parts. And I'm just about sure that once these things are walking around in the human form and they become the demons, I don't think they can reproduce. Okay, why infect the babies? You know what I'm saying? Like, pick one. So I'm pretty sure they themselves cannot reproduce. So having parts would mean nothing. So here we go. One thing I just noticed on the couple, every time, and I'm sure they do it with every other star or whatever demon when they have kids on, every time she's on a magazine cover, there's also this other, like, she's there with her 3 kids. Okay? And I'll translate this for you in English. She's basically talking about, oh, I struggled with depression and with panic attacks and, people mocking me, saying bad things about me. My life was hell. Why are you talking about that stuff while you go on there with your kids? Okay? Then, yeah, they're putting liberal woke stuff there. Someone needed some face transplant. But the person who did it to us, this person still loves them. Then, yeah, I don't even know who these are. This is it's some singer and someone else, 5 months pregnant, and now they got engaged and they're so happy. So there, these 2 popular people also saying, don't worry, you can be like 5 months pregnant and then only get engaged, which, I mean, when you're getting married, Do you get where I'm coming from, folks? So they're the transgenders also advertise all this other crap. Obviously, I mean, it's just obvious. So then we come to the mental part. So this is the babies. I don't even know how old, but that's like pretty new, eh? It even looked like it was in plastic store. That's actually from the person who took the photo of this. It's obviously a flash. Okay, sorry. So there was something there. A mother snapped. Sorry, I haven't checked this one yet. Ma knock verwrig sy. Mother snaps and she strangled her son. And oh yes, I do remember actually reading about this because the son was on. This is in the Western Cape, in South Africa, like in the flats, I believe. And the guy was into meth. We call it tikya. And yeah, he it gotten so bad. She ended up like strangling him to death in his sleep. But there, on the first page, on the front page of a supposed woman, which we know is a transgender demon, giving birth to supposed triplets. Meanwhile, it's demons got born. Mental. So the prince there, hey, Prince Harry. Also, I can read what it says here. He went and snorted vodka. You know, like you would snort drugs and stuff, but vodka, and that was him playing with death. So there, a mother killed the child. A prince almost, they say, died. On the same thing where it says, oh, she's Nia now shows her triplets. My baby dolls. My claim pauper is baby dolls. My baby dolls. On the same cover with death, 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 death. Hey? I mean, come on. It's mental what these things are. So here the babies are now. So this thing, that one right there, I was like, no ways, bro. And this one also caught my attention. You see, it's not even a white baby. And this one is just way too old. This is crazy stuff. Okay, because actually I was like, no ways. What's going on here? Are you imagining this, Philip? Look at this. Okay, sorry. It's very difficult. Because if you only have so much photo, look there. So that's what it looks like. And what I've noticed, I think I've mentioned already, there's always like what looks like an angelic little version, or like what could have been there. That looks more like a newborn baby, or any old baby, any kind of baby. This, hey, even compared to this, it doesn't look right, and then to this, it doesn't look right. You can see there's something in there. Okay, folks. In the next one, it's crazy. This is supposed to be her 3 kids, and you'll see with the photos in the future, this is supposed to be the taller daughter with the dark hair. Also, obviously, all of them, transgender, 100%, got the proof. I'll show you now. That's not a white kid. It's definitely not part of 3 triplet girls. As you can already see, this thing does not look anywhere near any kind of girl. Come on, man. But here we go. Look. You see that? You can see it's all dark kid. Their hair. You can see it's got the curly hair already. Look at that. But then once again, like I said, there you can see that looks like the innocent baby. Right? And then that looks like the more mature one, which would be the entity, the demon part. And so here now, so remember this now. Come on, look at the complexion even. If we don't go with looks in it, look at the complexion. You saw me, I didn't change this photo. Yeah, we can do it again right now. See, there it is. And we'll show you the hair on this one just now. It is crazy. See the complexion? Okay? And I'll show you, it looks like a little colored baby, black baby. Now that's supposed to be it. I don't know how much longer later it is, but we're looking at what it's like, not even 6 months old kids. Look, that's supposed to be it now. You're joking, right? So, it's like, I don't even know. There'll be an investigation in itself because, oh, she needed real babies. And I just put like 3 random babies that have been born that were then going to get given to other demon transgenders. Okay, and so the main one I needed a photo of was that thing that is a boy, which is, just to show, it is this one. Okay, that one there. That's the 2 brothers, supposed to be sisters, but they're brothers. The mother is a man. That's her second husband. Those are supposed to be this transgender demon's sisters. If they're not in on it and they're not also demons, then they're like super dykes, because they can hang around with demons. So they're probably also demons. I haven't looked at them proper, but you can just see them, man. You know what to look for now. Look there. Even with this bad photo, which is also at a very bad angle, but you can see there. Look at the difference in the mouth, folks. The eye. Let's see this one quickly. Yeah, there on the left is its dark side. Let's see. I'd say even this is more of a dimple than that side would have. And I'm really looking for the first time now. Yeah, that's it for now. Maybe the eyes. The nose would also be different. Let's see here. Most probably these hairlines, if this hair was tied back, we'd see it. Why not? So that was maybe the original triplets. That's why they got this triplet thing going. Because those 3 demons came at the same time as triplets. It's not like pretending it happened again. But anyway, so there's this one. You can actually see there, you can actually make out straight collarbones. Don't need to see these 2 because I've got other photos. And this is really bad quality. And then what I did was there to make it stand out more. There you can definitely see the white shade right there. Which means it's definitely a male, which is a there. One. What do you see in this photo, folks? 8 boys. Not 4 goals, 3 goals, 3 goals, 6 goals, 7 goals, 8 goals. No, that's a photo with 8 freaking dudes. Supposed mother and her children. No. 100% demon, 100% male. Yeah, it's, see there, look at it. So this person, supposed person demon, okay, there you can see the 2 different faces. There. Hairline. Okay, there is actually hair hanging in there. But yeah, it is a different space. Because look at this one. When it's separate now and they're together, it goes more, like at an almost like a point. Whereas this one, it doesn't do that. Okay, and there's just family photos. Mental. Okay? And they've been in the world. It's not like as if they're hard. These are not like vampires or something. These people live, these things, they live lives, folks. They're out there doing stuff. Now look at this. They even give it like a really shitty boob job. I mean, or maybe it's like they just don't care. Or I don't know. Like, why even bother doing that? Anyways, as I said, they're guaranteed definitely. Oh yeah, here's the mother, and then there you can see with this one definitely there. The one sister. Once again, look at it. Even going down, only males will do that if this arm is hanging down. You can see it, right? This one also straight. Yeah, I think, there we go, I did it here. There you can see very well. Very well, you can see it there. Mother you can make out, this one you can make out. Incredible. Folks, I still can't unsee this, and we have to push on. In the sense that just people need to wake up, and then we can, if enough people wake up, I'm sure whatever needs to happen will be shown to us or something. And I'm going to try and wrap this up because I'm making these videos a bit too long. Charlize Theron. Okay. Early days. Not really thinking about hiding stuff yet. Okay. You can clearly see there. And to give it the appearance that it's a female, it lifts that shoulder and pulls it a bit. You can see there. You can just see like in there. There. It's been pulled back. Whereas this one's and lifted up because you can see the stretch in the neck. But a person is just supposed to be looking at this like, ooh, so pretty. Not really, huh? It's like a freaking ghost, but there, perfectly straight. And then, yeah, that's just the faces. You can see those faces are different. One's broader, one's narrow, as per usual with all of them. Really, man. That says it all. Transgender pedophile demon. Such a lazy demon. I was like, man, I'm going to adopt black kids. I'm not even going to like pretend I had kids. Because I don't want white ones. So it's probably like a black demon in a but anyways. Don't forget, this is from a photo shoot. So as I said here, let me not get off track. Shoulders pulled back and up. Photo shoot, remember? Planned. Controlled poses of a photo shoot by the transgender demon Charles Theron. Shoulders up and pulled back up. You'll see now. Okay, carry on the walk and the photo shoot. Photo shoot. Looks like this was like a, oh, you caught me. No, photo shoot. Shoulders up. Oops. There we go. Thank you. The Devil's Advocate, Charlize Theron. You can see there, lifting it up. You can see there it's straight. Okay, so yeah, let's do this like this. There. Okay. One that's straight, it wasn't lifted. And the one that was lifted, less straight. This one's even more telling. Okay. I mean, look how manly they look. It's mental. There we go. There's a perfect dark side of it. So from this photo, this is actually the dark side. And this is in a movie, eh? And we don't see these things because you're not supposed to. There. Look at the different photos now, those two. We can get it better. Yeah. This is it there. Almost look like this is a dark person, like a person with like a really dark skin. And I look at it, yeah. It's almost beautiful again. Now in the later years. But then when you see this now, you can't unsee this. There you can see the two people, right? Like Philip doesn't have to do it anymore. You see the two people? Even if I just do this, you should be starting to see them. Eh? Not just there. Yeah, it's exactly for a reason. A lot of you are starting to reconsider how you're going to brush your hair. Eh? Okay, so let's do that. There we go. Remember, from this photo, you get this person and you get that person. Have a look for a minute. You can see it's not the same person, right? Okay. From this photo, you get that person and this young girl. Look at this, folks. Look at the obviously at the negative. Look at the young girl, which is actually obviously a young trans boy, which this is maybe when this thing got taken. Look at in the negative at this now. So it's like the that's the adult woman, and that's the one side face. Look at that. You see it? I'm not imagining it, right? Anyways, long story short, so from this one, that's what we get. Two different ones. Okay? Yeah, there. You can see it looks like a young. Eh? I haven't even thought about doing this. Let's do this quickly. In closing, let's make the whole thing. Oh, crap. I actually cannot save, man, because that button's there. Let me not do that again. Oh, there we go. I guess that's where a person can save. And then this one, sorry. And yeah, then let's see how much. No, looks like a young girl, hey? Mental, eh, guys? Or if we were saying young John's boy, it's like as if that could be stuck in there. Like I said, the time when this thing might have been possessed, this Tyrone trolley. And it's like, there you are. I mean, what do you say, folks? Look at this one. So from this picture, once again, like I said, the hair, they do this for a reason. I promise it must be. Look at that. Look at the difference. It's right down the middle. I didn't change anything to get that side and just flip that side and the other side and just flip it. Sorry. Not pull it. What? I'll really try and edit that out. So sorry, folks. Let me just quickly show you, and then we'll be done with it. Okay, so you can see it's the same photo. Just put it back on color. See, look at the different face. Look how butch this one is. And yeah, obviously it played in a movie, and I've already covered her in another one, Megyn Kelly. All of them. One big party of demonic transgender things that control the entire world. Catch you on the next one, folks. Please look after yourselves, and you are the most important.